Do you want money to work for you? Do you want a passive income? Do you want to do nothing but your income is generating? Investment is the answer. It's easy to say, but honestly, you have no idea how to start investing, especially if you're a beginner. You want to know about it? Watch this video until the end because we will give you a beginner's guide for investing. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security in general. All in all, let's talk about money. Investing is a tested method of putting your money to work for you while you work to earn more of it. By investing your money regularly, you may be able to multiply it many times over. That is why it is critical to start investing as soon as possible and with money set aside for that purpose. If you're considering investing, you might wonder how much money you'll need to start. The good news is that you can begin investing with a small amount of money. The amount of money you'll need to invest will be determined by your goals and the type of investment you're interested in. For example, if you want to buy stock in a company, you must have enough money to purchase at least one share. If you want to invest in real estate, you must have enough money for a down payment on a property. Fortunately, there are numerous ways to invest, so regardless of your budget, you should be able to find a suitable option. Today, we will teach you how to invest as a beginner. Let's get started. Step 1. Decide how much you will invest. Before you begin investing, you must first determine how much money you are willing to invest. This will assist you in determining what types of investments are appropriate for you and how much risk you are willing to accept. If you only have a small amount of money to invest, you must be more conservative in your investment choices. Stocks are classified into large capitalization stocks, small cap stocks, aggressive growth stocks, and value stocks. They all have varying degrees of risk. After determining your risk tolerance, you can focus your investment efforts on stocks that complement it. Step 2. Determine your preferred investment. Others prefer to set it and forget it, while some investors want to manage their investment actively. Select a strategy to get started even though your preference may change. If you are confident in your knowledge of and ability to manage investments, you could manage your assets and portfolio independently. You can invest in mutual funds, exchange-traded funds or ETFs, stocks, bonds, and index funds using traditional online brokers. You can make investment decisions, manage your portfolio, and make changes with the assistance of a knowledgeable broker or financial advisor. Beginners who recognize the value of investing but may want assistance from a professional should consider this option. You can also consider using robo-advisor. When compared to using a broker or financial advisor, a robo-advisor is an automated, hands-off option. Your goals, risk tolerance level, and other information are input into a robo-advisor program, which then automatically invests on your behalf. What do you think about this so far? Please tell us in the comment section below. And also, if you are new to our channel and you love our topics, please consider subscribing so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be notified. Also, don't forget to hit the like button as it will help YouTube show this video to more people. Now, Let's continue. Number 3. Open an investment account. If you don't have a way to buy stocks, no matter how much advice you receive about stock investing for beginners, it won't be much use to you. A particular kind of account called a brokerage account will be necessary for you to do this. Furthermore, opening a brokerage account is typically a quick and painless process that takes only a few minutes. EFT transfers, mailing checks, and wire transfers are all simple ways to add money to your brokerage account. Generally speaking, opening a brokerage account is simple, but there are a few factors considered before selecting a broker. In choosing an account, a standard brokerage account or an individual retirement account or IRA are the two options available to most people who are just learning how to invest in the stock market. You can buy stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs using either type of account. Here, your motivation for investing in stocks and how simple you want it to be for you to access your money are the key factors to take into account. You'll likely desire a standard brokerage account if you want simple access to your funds, are merely saving for a rainy day, or want to invest more than the annual IRA contribution limit. An IRA is a great choice, though, if your objective is to accumulate a retirement fund. The downside of IRAs is that it may be challenging to withdraw your money until you are older, despite being very tax-advantaged places to purchase stocks. Step 4. Choose your stocks. Naturally, there are many factors to consider when choosing and analyzing stocks. But there are a few key ideas you should understand before you begin. Number 1. Develop a diversified portfolio. Number 2. Only invest in companies you fully understand. Number 3. As you learn how to invest, stay away from stocks with high volatility. Number 4. Never invest in penny stocks. Number 5. Discover the fundamental metrics and ideas for stock evaluation. Stay with companies you are familiar with. Suppose you find that you are proficient at evaluating a specific class of stock. In that case, there is nothing wrong with having a sizable portion of your portfolio invested in that particular sector. It may seem like a great way to increase your wealth by purchasing sparkly high-growth stocks, and it can be, but I'd advise you to wait until you have a little more experience before doing so. It's better to build a base for your portfolio out of dependable, long-standing companies. You should become familiar with some fundamental methods of evaluating individual stocks if you want to invest in individual stocks. Choosing stocks is difficult. It is better to do your own research before selecting any stock you will invest in. This is just a general idea of how to invest. When you start investing, you have a lot to learn because nobody is an expert from the beginning. Even the most intelligent investors began with little information. Luckily, you have choices. Always wise to seek the advice of a financial planner or advisor. Financial advisors are required to act in your best interests and are compensated through flat hourly rates rather than commission. Professional investment advice is essential if you've inherited or won a sizable sum of money, especially if you're new to investing. Although financial planning services are a little more expensive, the value of good advice and peace of mind is immeasurable. You must do your research to ascertain your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and the costs involved in buying stocks and mutual funds. Additionally, you should research different brokers to understand their unique requirements and determine which one might best suit your needs. When you do, you'll be in a good position to benefit from the stock's sizable potential to generate income for you over time. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you think investing is easy? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.